G'day guys, Matty from Porby Sessions Australia. Now, as you know, I've been having some auto temp issues where it's just been getting super hot. Recently it's warmed up a bit up here, so it's been getting temps around 24, 25 degrees now, and I've been sitting daily on 108, 110. So I've been humming and ahhing about it because I know they're going to carry on about it with warranty. So I've bit the bullet and I'm on my way up today to Lake Macquarie Transmissions, and I'm going to get the cooler put on because I've spoken to a lot of people and it makes a huge difference. The guys at Tripping a Van actually got back to me. Justin, thanks mate, really appreciate it. They put one on their BT50 when they were tripping around Australia and they had no issues whatsoever. So to me, if those guys have been running it, I know they don't do hectic full driving, but they do a heck of a lot of towing, and their van is so much heavier than mine. So on the way up now, we'll go get it fitted and we'll see how it goes. As you can see, sitting at 100. I've only been doing a bit of freeway work, so we're on the way up here. Let's see what it drops it down to once we put this cooler on. There you have it guys, what a huge difference. Same conditions and we're down in the 60s, like unbelievable. Alright, let's check out the kit. So these are the kits you guys do.
Yep.
So they run the
steel hard lines.
Yeah, right, okay.
Rather than rubber lines all the way to the front.
Yep, perfect.
All CNC cut and bent brackets.
So designed for the BT50 or the Ranger, so to speak. Yep.
New fittings that go into the box and the cooler bypass.
Okay, awesome.
And then
literally the biggest cooler you can get in there, so to speak.
Pretty much.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully we're going to get a lot cooler temps now.
Yeah.
Can't wait to check it out. Excellent. Thanks for your help, mate. I really appreciate it.
Anytime.
So, pretty sure they said they put it up the front here. So let's have a look at it. There it is down there. It's going to be a bit hard to see, but try and get the GoPro in there. There it is down there. That's it down there. So absolutely unreal. It's the biggest one you can get, and it runs the hard line. So keep an eye on it over the next few months, but already it's made a huge difference. So I'm really stoked with it. Brian, Lake Macquarie Automatic Transmissions, they're just at Toronto in New South Wales. The guys are absolute legends. Hit them up. They did 3 today. I'm also going to show you in here what happens when you don't do it, because I know a lot of people are saying, how much is it worth? Is it really worth it? Blah blah blah. A new box in one of these is $6,500 to fix up. So they had a box in there, which I'll roll on those clips now and just show you what happens if a little bit of water gets in there from this cooler on the side, and what happens when you don't have a cooler itself, the oil cooler itself, to actually cool that oil. So let's have a look at that now. So that's the damage from overheating. Yeah.
Which kills the torque converter and it kills the pump.
Yeah, right.
It actually puts scuffing on the pump, which loses all the oil pressure.
Oh wow. Okay. So it's definitely necessary to get a cooler on them then.
Yep.
Wow.
Especially in your kilometres, that way you'll have it for a long time.
Yep. Oh, unreal. Wow. Anyway, guys, I hope you found this video really informative. I love sharing stuff like this because, like, I paid for this service, but I just find it so awesome that you'll learn something about your car that you never knew. So, anyway, guys, I'll keep bringing you videos and more I'll keep doing. Have a good one.